Hi, today we are together to demonstrate to you how we do a respiration rate measurement technique. The scope of this technique is just for evaluation. We are monitoring the patient because respiration is a vital sign, and we would like to evaluate the medication treatment on a patient. The materials that we need for this technique are a watch with a secondary line, a green pen with a respiration or a temperature sheet, depends how you call it. The procedure. The patient must not be priorly informed of the measurement. The nurse has to put her palm on the inferior part of the chest as the patient is a male. In case the patient is a female, she has to position her palm on the superior part. And she begins to count like 40 seconds, counting the chest movements. Okay, and the result obtained is multiplied by 2. After she is aware of the result, absolutely she must record it. And we observe that the nurse writes down the result on the temperature sheet or a medical record. We must see and interpret the result because a normal one for a normal adult without any chronic disease must be placed between the range of 16 to 18 respiration per minute. In case that the value obtained is under 10, we will call it a pathologic situation, which is called bradypnea. And if the values are higher than the normal ones, meaning 18, we have the pathological situation named tachypnea. Thank you.